really like passing through a beach or a lake. I don't know what it is, but I think we have to video it. So it's really far away. It can't be seen. At least we're passing through it. We're passing through it, so I guess I video it. Here is it. I know it's not yet. I think it's a lake or something. Oh,
Lake, it's the water already.
many are swimming that lake. Parts type of water. It's still the same. So yeah. That's so interesting. We actually part from a lake or something. Yeah. Sure.
Ito guys.
It's still very bumpy even if we're in an actual road again. So go!
Hilain mo ang tao mo sa tumbat-bat lang.
I think I have another video when we arrive now because it's really hassle now.
What is that? It's my single trees natin for Comic Relief. Comic Relief are British charity that's amazing work.
What are you talking about, Charlie?
The one ba, teenage
What are you
kid?
talking about, Charlie?
So
yeah, bye. See you later.
Oh, come on,
Shot.